Welcome to Technical Support Tuesday, where we go ahead and make short technical support videos for my viewers. And if you'd like to go ahead and request a technical support video, go ahead and drop a comment down below. Today we're going to go ahead and show you how to defrag and schedule the defrag of Windows 10. If you go ahead and open up Explorer, then click on this PC, then go ahead and right click on the drive and go to Properties. Now go ahead and click on the Tools tab and then click Optimize. Now if you were going to go ahead and just run the defrag, just click Optimize, but here we're going to go ahead and click on Change Settings. And the default here on this system is to weekly defrag it. I'm going to go ahead and change that to daily, and then hit OK. Now if you have a solid state drive, it's actually going to just go ahead and run retrim and not perform an actual defrag. Now here if we go ahead and click on these options, you can go ahead and make sure that all the drives are selected, and then go ahead and click on OK, and then OK again. And then go ahead and close it. Now that concludes today's video. If you like this video, go ahead and make sure you smash that like button and also subscribe if you haven't already. And again, if you have any suggestions or requests for an upcoming video for Tech Support Tuesday, please go ahead and drop it in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next one.